Positive Quotes, Part 6. Being positive is like going up a mountain. Being negative is like sliding down a hill. A lot of times, people want to take the easy way out because it is basically what they have understood throughout their lives. All I can control is myself and just keep having a positive attitude. Preparation plus attitude plus opportunity plus action is equal to luck. The first step is you have to say that you can. I do believe we are all connected. I do believe in positive energy. I do believe in the power of prayer. I do believe in putting good out into the world, and I believe in taking care of each other. I have learned that positive thinking and encouragement are essential for leadership and progress. I will love the light, for it shows me the way, yet I will endure the darkness, for it shows me the stars. I am loud, but I am positive. You don't get anywhere by beating people down with negativity. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts live. They travel far. You are the sum total of everything you have ever seen, heard, eaten, smelled, been told, forgot. It is all there. Everything influences each of us, and because of that, I try to make sure that my experiences are positive. The next time you feel slightly uncomfortable with the pressure in your life, remember, no pressure, no diamonds. Pressure is a part of success. Hope is a waking dream. Hope is important because it can make the present moment less difficult to bear. If we believe that tomorrow will be better, we can bear a hardship today. Optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will be drawn to you. Optimism is the most important human trait because it allows us to evolve our ideas, to improve our situation, and to hope for a better tomorrow. The attitude a person develops is the most important ingredient in determining the level of success. People who are negatively conditioned accept defeat. People who are positive, they don't. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. Promise yourself that you will talk health, happiness, and prosperity as often as possible. Thanks for watching. Please press round button and subscribe. Your comments and suggestions are awaited.